When did you last review your infrastructure support model? If it's been a while, you may be overpaying for equipment that only collects dust. As your company adopts new technology, your tech support and maintenance program's complexity continuously grows. And besides losing time to mundane maintenance tasks, you risk operating a critical system that's mistakenly uncovered. What or who is at stake then when a midnight crisis strikes? LRS can help with our complimentary Technology Lifecycle Management Review. LRS Lifecycle Management experts can provide insight into your coverage programs and services with a thoughtful, consultative approach. We methodically analyze your inventory reports, service levels, coverage locations, and contract terms. By collaborating with you to resolve your IT support challenges and define your optimized support program, we can build an action plan for your long-term success. We'll identify over-covered equipment, recommend cost-friendly coverage models, and right-size your service levels. Then, after our comprehensive assessment, you can save time using the LRS Asset Management Portal online to track and manage your contracts in one easy-to-use interface for any manufacturer. Now you're in control of equipment lifespans, upgrading and replacing on your schedule, not the manufacturer's. Make LRS your trusted advisor for technology lifecycle management. To learn more or to schedule your review with one of our technology experts, contact us at this URL.